Welcome to Cadence Learning. In this session, we will learn about the data consolidation tools in Microsoft Excel 2013. For the purpose of demonstration, we have sales data for different customers over a given period of time. If we want to make use of the consolidate command in Excel 2013, let's take a look how we can apply this command to consolidate all the sales for a given customer so that we can know at end of the day that what is the dollar amount we have made sales to one particular customer. For this purpose, let's click on the Data tab in the ribbons, and then in Data Tools group, let's click on the Consolidate. There are a number of statistics which we can choose from. We can make use of the count that will tell us that how many times we have made sales to one customer, or we can take a look on the average sale per customer. We can take a look on maximum sales made to a customer, minimum, or all these other statistics can be studied. But for now, we want to take a look on the total amount of sales that we have made to each and every customer. So in other words, we want to find the sum of sales per customer. So once you have selected the function, the next thing we need to do is select the cell range which contains the data. And for this purpose, we can select the first row and then press Shift and Control key down and then click the downward pointing arrow. This will select the entire range of cells containing data. And then click on Add. This range will be added to the All References portion. Now, make sure that you have clicked somewhere outside the range of cells containing the data and take a look on these Use Labels in left column. Like labels, customer names are appearing in the left column, therefore we have made this appropriate selection. But in other cases, if the names were appearing in the row, we could have chosen top row. That will depend upon the situation. But if we ever want to include more customers in this, we can create link to source data. But that is not the case, at least for now. So let's click OK. And Excel is now working to get the sum of sale for every customer. Click on this header to allocate it appropriate space and then make some space available for the sales figures. So these are sum of sales, and this is the customer's name. And as you can see that we can nicely format this by clicking on Home tab and then click on Format or Cell Styles. Where are cell styles? Let's take a look on this heading 1, and there you go. And now you can see that from the original data, this Carlos Solterio, there are 2 sales recorded. If you would like to sum up all the sales for this particular customer, that should be equal to the sum of sales in this column. And originally you can see that there were 8,000 records, but in here we have only few hundred columns because there are only few hundred customers. So let's take a look how many total customers are there. there are not more than 796 customers. And if you are unable to verify this, we can make one more example but with smaller data set. Let's say Sarah, and their sale was 56, Jacob, and this was 9 or 8, Sarah again, and here we can say 5 or 6 more, so that we know that Sarah 56 and then again Sarah 6. The total, by consolidating this data, 56 plus 6 should give us 62. And let's write Zonglin equal to 4 and Zonglin again, Zonglin equal to 7. So if we want to make use of this one, let's click on Data tab and then under Consolidate. So again we will be using the same thing, but this time we will be using, so let's delete the previous one and browse for the data range. Okay, sorry, here we wanted to make sure that this range of cells is selected. And now let's add this to the references and use labels in the left column is selected. We have clicked outside the data range, then press OK. And you can see that Sarah 56 plus 6, 62, Zonglin is 4 and 7, 11. So this is how we can make use of these consolidation tools. But remember, it's not only the sum, we can make use of average, count, minimum, maximum, and other statistics. That's it for now, and we'll see you with more videos on Excel.